Hello everyone and welcome to this series of Onshape tutorials. In this series, I will be showing you ways to use Onshape and giving you rundowns on different tools in Onshape to help you with your 3D modeling journey. This series will be primarily focused on using Onshape in means of a FRC team, so there will be many tools on here that will not be showcased as they will not be used for a FRC team. If you're wanting to learn how to use those tools, I would recommend just messing around and figuring out how to do it yourself. Other than that, I will be giving you many different tutorials throughout this series on how to use many different tools in Onshape. Hope you enjoy. Hello, and welcome to part 7 in this Onshape tutorial series. Today is MKCAD. So, MKCAD is this fun little add-on for Onshape that you have to add through their little app store, which is here. Just look up MKCAD and then follow the instructions it gives you, and you'll get access to it. But it looks like this little blue box over here on the right side. And whenever you open it, it opens up this little menu here, and it just gives you a bunch of basically drop-down menus of parts. So you want a bearing, you come in here, you find your bearing. There are a lot of them. They have almost any part you can think of. I have a couple things favorited that use pretty often with robotics. But they have some things that here, like it says configurable, or it has this little icon next to it. That means when you click on it, you can change things about it. Like in this case, what type of thing it's going to have. So we'll do like max pattern. We'll make it be like 7 inches, and we'll hit insert. And got to give it a second to load, because of course everything takes a while to load. And so once it has loaded, you'll see it's imported this part for me. I didn't have to make this. Saves so much time. And if I click on this little bearing, boom, bearing's in. And it just makes things so much faster and easier to do, especially if you're trying to make a lot of parts or you're just trying to get like structural pieces that already exist. It saves you time as you don't have to then CAD those pieces yourself. You can just kind of pull them from here, import them, and connect stuff to them. It saves you so much time, and when time is of the essence or when you're having to make a lot of parts, the less parts you got to make, the better. Because better organized that way. And so that's your kind of quick rundown on MKCAD. It's not like it's a whole lot there. So I'll add in a special little thing for you here. You can do exploded views in here, where you just have to tell it and then you just kind of have to click the part you want and then you just move it. And then it kind of does it. So now if I tell it to activate the exploded view, it kind of moves it back there. Not really useful for something with only a couple of parts, but if you get a bunch of parts, very helpful for kind of seeing how things go together. And then you have your BOM, which is just bill of materials. It'll kind of show you whatever is in here as you see. And then your configuration panel is a very complicated and weird thing. It basically just allows you to change multiple values at once. Like if you have a sketch with a lot of different dimensions in them, you can have a configuration with different dimensions set for that to change them on the fly, but that's not something we're going to get into because it's not something you use very often. But yeah, that's today's tutorial. Pretty short because it's just MKCAD. It's a really simple thing. Next time, you'll be seeing how to use a different application that is used for connecting Onshape with CNC. Hope you enjoyed.